Welcome back to WCDC Art. To make these paper bugs, you'll need colored paper, scissors, a pencil, a black marker, tape or glue, and googly eyes. Our first step is to grab the template available in the video description and cut out the shapes provided. There are two teardrop shapes, which will be our wings. Then we have a larger kind of U shape, which will be the body of our bug, and the smaller shape will be the head. So once we have those all cut out, next it's time to trace those shapes onto our colored paper. So I'm going to have the head of my bug be this minty green. So I'm going to trace the smaller kind of oval shape onto my green paper with a pencil and then set it aside. And my larger body for the bug, I'm going to put on blue paper. If you wanted your bug to have colorful wings, you could also trace those teardrop shapes onto colored paper, but I'm going to leave my wings white, so I'm going to leave them as is and move on to cutting out my colored shapes. When the head and body are cut out, I'm going to glue them together. So I'm going to put some glue stick on the bottom part of my head and then attach the body and make sure that I adhere it really well. And using tacky glue, I'm going to glue on a pair of googly eyes to the minty green head of my bug. And next, to add some detail to our bug's head, I'm going to take a fine point permanent marker and I'm just going to add and color in some circles. And then also using a black marker, I'm going to draw a line down the center of the body, but separating it at the bottom so you get a little bit of a peek through to the body underneath these wings. And then I'm just going to add some stripes, some vertical stripes in that shape. Still using our permanent marker, I'm going to use my white teardrop wings and add some detail to those. So I'm just going to draw a second teardrop shape right in the center and then a few lines coming out of that towards the end of the cut paper. And now it's time to glue our wings onto our bug's body. So our last step is to give our bug some arms and legs and antenna. So using a white pipe cleaner, I'm just going to cut a length of pipe cleaner, maybe like 3 inches, fold it in half, and I'm going to put a little bit of a curve into those two sides, and then I'm going to place it at the top center of his head. And from there, to give him some arms, I'm going to cut a smaller length of pipe cleaner, but make sure I have 2 of the same length so they're equal on both sides, and then put those right above where the wings are placed. And then lastly, our bug needs some legs. And lastly, I'm going to cut 2 more pieces of equal size pipe cleaner for his legs. And I'm even going to put a bend in each of these and then place them all the way at the bottom. And once you have all the pieces of pipe cleaner that you want, you can just flip your bug over and start taping those pieces in place. After you've made this one, you can create your own with any colors and shapes that you want. Thanks for crafting with WCDC Art.